Now we will discuss some of the sentences that we use daily in life. You have to repeat with me, and you can also write these sentences. Right. First sentence is pleased to meet you. Repeat with me. Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Suppose you meet with your friend and you meet after a long time. So what you say? Pleased to meet you. बहुत खुशी हुई तुमसे मिलके. तो sentence का pleased to meet you. Second sentence is may I have your pen? Whatever you are asking from your friend, whatever you are asking from your mother or sister for a particular period of time, not what you will say, may I have your pen, may I have your copy, may I have your whatever you are asking from that person. Always use me, right? Third, I don't want to take move. Don't want to take more, not move. I don't want to take more. Suppose you are having dinner with your family. Now your mama is asking, "Chilega, yes, or चाहिए." But you will say, I don't want to take more. Right? Yes. No. Next sentence is listen carefully. I am sorry. I got late little. I got late little. You can say I got a little bit. Suppose you went to the school, you rushed to the school, you went to the meeting, you went to party hall, you are late by 5 to 10 minutes. Your friends are waiting you. So what you will say? And you are late. So what you will say? Repeat this sentence. I am sorry. I am little late. मैं थोड़ा सा लेट हो गया. ठीक है. Late. Okay. Next sentence. Yes. Now, next sentence is will you please move a bit? Repeat with me. Will you please move a bit? Suppose you are sitting in a seat and that's a single seat. That's why a 4 to 5 person can sit together. Now you also sit, but you want some more space. What you say to the another person? Please move a bit. Repeat with me. Will you please move a bit? Right. Next sentence is could you please spare a few moments for me? Could you please spare a few moments with me? Suppose your some family member came to your home or some your relative came to your home and he is only do job, he is having some urgent work. Now you are requesting आप मेरा वक्त बिताओगे क्या तुम मुझे अपना कुछ टाइम what you will say could you please could you please spare moments with me, right? Yes, few moments, not some, few. Next is sorry for inconvenience. Repeat with me. The same sentence you can say in the place of I am late. You can say simply say sorry for inconvenience. Suppose you are writing an examination, right? You are writing an exam and you are just pushed. You are sitting behind you. You are sorry for a inconvenience. उसको जो दिक्कत हुई आपकी वजह से now you are just asking for what you will say sorry for inconvenience, correct? Right. Come to the next and next word, that is a word specific word, that word is pardon. What is pardon? Pardon means क्षमा मांग, क्षमा मांगना. You are asking for pardon. Suppose you are supposed to give me test today. And as I started the class, you told me that I am not prepared. What you will say? Sir, please pardon. You are asking for forgiveness. Okay? Pardon me. Next sentence is very important. Better finish your work first. Repeat with me. Better. No. Finish this sentence. Better finish your work first. Yes. इट मीन्स हिंदी में बहुत लोग बोलते हैं क्या, पहले अपना काम खत्म करो, पहले अपना काम खत्म करो तब ये करना, तो व्हाट यू विल से, बेटर फिनिश योर वर्क। यस, नाउ कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट, next is so kind of you, repeat with me. It means you are saying to somebody कि please do this, मेरा ये काम कर दो, मुझे मतलब मुझे बहुत खुशी होगी, मुझे आप पे बहुत कृपा होगी, ऐसे बोल रहे हैं, तो हम क्या बोलेंगे, so kind of you, so kind of you. Yes. Next is by God grace, repeat with me. Grace. Suppose you clear your examination, your result has been out, you clear class 10 with a good marks. So first sentence that you will say, by God grace and wishes of my parents, you can say, I clear my class 12, class 10, right? Whatever class. What you say, something by God grace. Clear? Next is not a bit, not a bit, not a bit. नॉट अ बिट मीन्स थोड़ा सा भी नहीं चाहिए मुझे, आपकी थोड़ा सा ले लो, थोड़ा सा ले लो, बट यू विल से नॉट, थोड़ा सा भी नहीं चाहिए, राइट? नेक्स्ट इज नेवर माइंड. नेवर माइंड मीन्स सपोज you have disturbed by someone disturb you, right? So he's asking from your part, from his side, but you will say never mind, never mind, right? Next is nothing special. Nothing, where we use nothing special. नथिंग स्पेशल. सपोज आई एम आस्किंग यू, क्या बात है तनिष, आज बड़े अच्छे कपड़े पहने हुए, बड़ा मुस्कुरा रहे, तो इफ सम occasion you will repeat the occasion, you will tell me that occasion, but if there is no nothing special, so what you will say, nothing special sir, I just wear a new dress, nothing special, special नहीं. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस लिखो, काइंडली लुक इनटू द मैटर. काइंडली लुक इनटू द मैटर. इसका मतलब क्या होता है, suppose you are a senior, yeah, you are an educated person, and someone want you to interrupt the matter, come into the matter. So what he will say, please or kindly look into the matter. आप इस चीज का दखलंदाजी करो, आप बताओ इसको क्या सही है, क्या गलत. If you are a senior, right? Or if you are educated person, people will call you this sentence. Clear? Right? Next is how disgraceful. With me. हाउ डिस्ग्रेसफुल. डिस्ग्रेसफुल मतलब कितने अपमान की बात है ये, उसने ऐसा कैसे बोला. सपोज योर यंगर ब्रदर हैज अब्यूज्ड यू, और योर यंगर ब्रदर हैज abusing language from you or your father, what you will say, how disgraceful, कितने अपमान की बात है, my younger brother is using such a language, right? Next is, so these are the words, these are the sentences we frequently use in our daily life. So you are supposed to write, use all the or all the words that I have done in the class. Next, now we will practice some verbs, right? You are supposed to write the same verbs. Now first is, write down. First is, now make the three columns. First form, second form, third form. Clear? First लिखो arise. Arise. Yes, yes. Arise. Yes. न्यू भी हैं कुछ ओल्ड भी हैं, आप लिखो। वर्ब की प्रैक्टिस करते हैं। Arise, arouse, arise, arouse, arisen. Now what is the meaning of arise? What is the meaning of उठना? Yes. नेक्स्ट लिखो। नेक्स्ट लिखो। लिखवाऊंगा अभी, आप लिखो। बियर, बॉर, बॉर्न। बियर, बॉर, बॉर्न। फर्स्ट फॉर्म इज बी ए आर, सेकंड फॉर्म इज बी ओ आर ई, थर्ड फॉर्म इज बी ओ आर एन, बॉर्न। व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ बियर हियर? यस। नो नो, नॉट दैट बियर। बियर हेयर मीन्स पैदा करना। बियर हेयर पैदा करना। पैदा करना, पैदा, बी ई ए आर, पैदा, बॉर्न एंड बॉर्न। नेक्स्ट लिखो। become, became, become, become, became, become, become, became, become. What is the meaning of become? No, become means कोई something to be happen, होना। become means something to be happen, become। जैसे you become chartered accountant, you become a lawyer, you become a doctor, right? Clear? Next लिखो। behold, 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 beheld, beheld, behold, beheld, beheld, behold, beheld, beheld. Next, next, bid, bade, bidden, bid, bade, bidden. What is the meaning of bid here? Bid, bid, bid here means आज्ञा देना, allowing someone. Bid here means आज्ञा देना. And what is the meaning of behold? इससे पहले जो लिखा हमने behold, behold, no no, देखना. Behold means देखना. Clear? Next, bend, B E N D, bend, 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 bend. The meaning of bend. No, 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 that is not. That means bind. Here, bend. Bend means झुकना. Yes, next. Dig, dig, dug, dug. Dig, dug, dug. Yes, dig, dug, dug. Next, what is meaning of dig? Dig means खोदना. ठीक है? Like farmer. Dig. Yes. feed, F-E-E-D, feed, fed, fed. यस, खिलाना। नेक्स्ट लिखो, हैंग, हैंग्ड, हैंग्ड, हैंग, हैंग, हैंग किसी को लटका देना, फांसी पे लटका देना या कोई चीज को बांध। नेक्स्ट लिखो, यस, नेक्स्ट लिखो, राइड, रोड, रिडन, राइड, रोड, राइड, रोड, रिडन। नेक्स्ट, शेक, शुक, शेकन। राइड में चढ़ना, सवारी करना, ठीक है ना, राइड में चढ़ना, सवारी करना। शेक, शुक, शेकन। नेक्स्ट, श्रिंक, 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 श्रैंक, श्रंक, श्रिंक, श्रैंक, श्रिंक में सिकुड़ना, सिकुड़ना। क्लियर। नेक्स्ट, स्पिट, पैट, स्पन, सॉरी, स्पिट, स्पैट, स्पैट। स्पिट में थूकना, कई जगह लिखा होता है मेट्रो के आसपास, स्पिट, स्पैट, स्पैट, स्पैट। यस, नेक्स्ट, स्विम, स्वैम, स्वम, स्विम, स्वैम, सम, मीन्स तैरना, तैरना, स्विम, स्वैम, सम। हो गया। नेक्स्ट, डील, डेल्ट, डेल्ट, डील, डेल्ट, डेल्ट। डील मतलब कोई चीज का व्यापार करना। हाँ, ट्रेडर डील करते हैं, व्यापारी कोई चीज डील करते हैं। नेक्स्ट, लैंड, 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 L-E-N-D, L-E-N-D, लैंड, लैंड, लैंड। ये लैंड में उधार देना, लैंड, 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 सेकंड एंड थर्ड फॉर्म इज सेम। नेक्स्ट, सीक, सॉट, सॉट, सीक, सीक मीन्स खोजना, सीक, सॉट, सॉट। यस। नेक्स्ट, बेट, 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 ऑल फॉर्म आर सेम। बेट मीन्स शर्त लगाना, बेट, बेट, बेट। कट, 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 ऑल फॉर्म आर सेम, कट मीन्स काटना। यस। क्विट, 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 ऑल फॉर्म आर सेम। क्विट मतलब कोई चीज को छोड़ देना, त्याग देना। यस। शट, 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 शट मीन्स कोई चीज बंद करना, ऑल फॉर्म आर, ऑल फॉर्म आर सेम। स्वेट, 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 SWEAT, स्वेट मीन्स पसीने का आना, स्वेट, स्वेट। हम्म, नो, एग्रेसिवनेस इज अ नाउन। This is a small practice. of- of- Now, more you can also search from your grammar book or you can ask me. Clear?